My name is Sofia, and for the past 8 years, I've been running an industrial cleaning company. Jetterix asked me to share my experience with their product, and I gladly accepted because it turned out to be a great surprise. Basically, we mainly work in large industrial complexes, cleaning factory floors, sports centers, locker rooms, stadium restrooms, and everything related to big industrial facilities. Huge surfaces, often very dirty, with extremely tight deadlines because clients want everything spotless before reopening. For a long time, our only solution for this kind of work was the classic pressure washer. These are heavy machines to transport, plug in, fill up, and maintain. Effective, sure, but a hassle to manage every day, expensive to maintain, and especially inconvenient when we have to handle multiple sites in the same day. Then the Jetterix sales rep stopped by our office and gave me one, saying, "Try it out, ma'am. I'll swing back through the area in a week, and we'll see if you place an order for 10 Jetterix units, or hand it back to me unhappy." Honestly, I was skeptical at first. A nozzle that turns regular tap water into a pressurized jet, with no motor, no electricity? I figured it could never replace a real pressure washer. And to be fair, I was right about that. It doesn't have the same raw power. But what I came to realize is that raw power isn't what matters for most of our jobs. What changed things was everything around it. Jetterix connects directly to any water source, whatever it may be. No motor to start, no cord to unwind, no gas can or battery to recharge. I just toss it in the tool bag and go. For my teams covering multiple sites in a single day, that savings in time and logistics is huge. And most importantly, it covers a good chunk of the jobs we used to always reach for the pressure washer for. Daily floor cleaning in factories, upkeep of stadium restrooms and locker rooms, quick rinses between jobs. Jetterix gets it done without needing to bring out the heavy artillery. There's one use that really won me over: degreasing. When we have access to hot water on certain industrial sites, we can strip grease buildup off machinery and hydraulic presses, especially during equipment relocations. That kind of job used to take forever, with a pressure washer that was tough to maneuver in tight spaces between equipment. Today we keep our pressure washers on hand for the big jobs that truly call for them, but Jetterix has become our everyday tool. It doesn't replace everything, but it covers the essentials, saves us precious time, and makes our field organization so much simpler. When the sales rep came back, I ordered 15. If you manage a cleaning crew, or even if you just need a versatile tool that's easy to carry and doesn't depend on any power source, I honestly think it's worth trying.